Hello, friends. Welcome back to SWT English Learning. Today, I am going to teach you something very powerful. Just imagine, if you only know 3 small phrases in English, you can actually create 50 useful daily life sentences. Yes, only 3 phrases. Isn't that amazing? So, if you are a beginner, or if you always feel nervous speaking English, this video is for you. Stay with me till the end because I will show you step by step how 3 phrases can open the door to daily conversation. Step 1. The secret of phrases. When we learn English, many people try to memorize long grammar rules or very difficult words. But in real life, we don't need complicated grammar all the time. We need short and clear phrases that we can use again and again. So today, we will learn 3 master phrases. I want, can you, I like. With these 3 phrases, we can make at least 50 sentences for daily use. In today's part, we will focus on the first phrase, I want. Phrase 1, I want. The phrase I want is very common. You can use it to express your needs, your wishes, or even your plans. Structure. I want plus thing or action. Let's practice with examples. Daily life sentences with I want. I want water. I want tea. I want food. I want bread. I want milk. These are simple sentences about things.
Now let's try actions. I want to eat. I want to drink. I want to sleep. I want to read. I want to write. See, just one phrase, but already 10 sentences. More useful sentences. Let's go a little further. I want to go home. I want to learn English. I want to meet you. I want to buy clothes. I want to call my friend. Practical situations. Imagine you are in a shop. You can say, I want shoes. Or, I want a bag. Or, I want this one. At home, you can say, I want to rest. Or, I want tea. In school or office, I want help. Or, I want a pen. Why this works? The beauty of I want is that you can connect it with any word you know. Even if your English is very simple, just add something after I want and you are speaking correctly. For example, you don't need to think too much about grammar. You don't need to memorize difficult vocabulary. Just use I want plus one word or one action and you already can communicate. Quick practice exercise. Now I will give you a small exercise. Repeat after me. I want tea. I want to sleep. I want to go. I want to learn. I want a phone. Practice these sentences every day. You will see your confidence will grow.
Second phrase, can you? In the last part, we learned how to use the phrase I want to make many daily life sentences. Today, we will move to our second powerful phrase. Can you? This phrase is very useful because it helps you ask people for help, request something politely, or ask about ability. Phrase 2. Can you? Structure. Can you? Plus action. We use this phrase to Ask someone to do something. Request politely. Check if a person is able to do something. Daily life sentences with can you. Let's try some examples. Can you help me? Can you give me water? Can you open the door? Can you close the window? Can you call me? Already 5 useful sentences. Let's do more. Asking for favors. Can you bring a pen? Can you turn on the light? Can you switch off the fan? Can you carry this bag? Can you wait for me? Polite requests in public. When you are outside, this phrase is very helpful. Can you tell me the way? Can you show me this place? Can you speak slowly? Can you repeat that? Can you help me find a bus? Checking ability. Sometimes we use can you to ask if someone is able to do something. Can you drive a car? Can you cook food? Can you play football? Can you read this? Can you speak English? Why can you is powerful. This phrase is powerful because it helps you start conversations. It is polite and simple. You can use it anywhere, at home, in school, at work, or while traveling. With just this one phrase, you can ask for almost anything you need. Practical situations. At home, can you wash the dishes? Can you bring water? Can you clean the room? At school or office, can you explain this? Can you give me the file? Can you send me an email? Outside, can you tell me the price? Can you open this bag? Can you help me cross the road? Quick practice exercise. Now repeat after me, slowly. Can you help me? Can you wait here? Can you speak slowly? Can you show me? Can you bring water? Practice these 5 sentences 3 times a day, and you will see your English speaking improve naturally.
Third phrase, I like. The phrase I like is very simple but very powerful. It helps you talk about your interests, hobbies, food, activities, and even people you enjoy spending time with. Structure, I like plus thing or action. Daily life sentences with I like. 1. I like tea. 2. I like coffee. 3. I like rice. 4. I like bread. 5. I like fruits. These are simple examples with things. Now let's try with actions. 6. I like to read. 7. I like to write. 8. I like to cook. 9. I like to travel. 10. I like to sing. Talking about hobbies. I like football. 12. I like cricket. 13. I like swimming. 14. I like running. 15. I like dancing.
Talking about people and places. 16. I like my teacher. 17. I like my friends. 18. I like this city. 19. I like my school. 20. I like my home. Making it more expressive. You can add words to make your sentences stronger. 21. I really like English. 22. I always like pizza. 23. I also like reading books. 24. I sometimes like watching movies. 25. I usually like walking in the park. Why I like is important. This phrase helps you share your feelings and opinions. Connect with others by talking about common interests. Sound friendly and confident in conversations. For example, If someone asks you, "Do you like music?" you can answer, "Yes, I like music." If someone asks, "What do you do in your free time?" you can say, "I like reading books." Practical situations. By. At home. I like watching TV. I like cooking dinner. I like sleeping early. By. At school or office. I like studying English. I like working with my team. I like learning new things. By. With friends. I like playing games. I like going out with you. I like talking to you. We have now learned 3 powerful English phrases. I want, to express needs and wishes. Can you, to ask questions or make requests. I like, to share feelings, hobbies, and preferences. With just these 3, you already know 50 sentences. Now let's combine them together in real-life conversations. Mini conversations using all 3 phrases. Conversation 1. At home. I want tea. Can you make tea? I like tea with sugar. Conversation 2. In a shop. I want shoes. Can you show me this pair? I like these shoes. Conversation 3. In school. I want a pen. Can you give me your pen? I like this pen. Conversation 4. With friends. I want to play football. Can you play football with me? I like football very much. Daily practice routine. Here's how you can practice every day. 1. Morning practice. Say 5 sentences with I want. Examples: I want water. I want food. I want to go. I want to learn. I want to rest. 2. Afternoon practice. Say 5 sentences with can you. Examples: Can you help me? Can you give me water? Can you wait? Can you open the door? Can you speak slowly? 3. Evening practice. Say 5 sentences with I like. Examples: I like rice. I like books. I like cricket. I like my school. I like English. If you do this 15 sentences daily, in 1 week you will easily make more than 100 sentences with confidence. Why this method works? You don't need to memorize big grammar books. You don't need hundreds of new words. You only need a few strong phrases that you can repeat in many situations. This is the fastest way for beginners to start speaking English today. Final review sentences. Mix practice. I want to learn English. Can you help me learn English? I like learning English. I want food. Can you cook food? I like this food. I want to go to the park. Can you come with me? I like walking in the park. See, only 3 small phrases, but already so many possibilities. Ending message. So friends, we have completed our lesson. 3 English phrases that create 50 daily life sentences. The 3 golden phrases are I want, can you, I like. Practice them every day, use them in your real life, and soon you will speak English with more confidence. Thank you for learning with me on SWT English Learning. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss new videos that make English simple and easy.